A fully automatic tube bending machine is a professional metalworking device integrated with CNC systems, servo drives, and precision molds. It can automatically complete feeding, clamping, rotating, bending, and unloading for various metal tubes, including steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. Operators can set parameters such as bending angle, bending radius, feeding length, and rotation angle via programming. It supports mass production of complex 2D and 3D tubular parts, with a bending accuracy up to plus or minus 0.1 degree. It covers tube diameters ranging from 4 millimeters to 150 millimeters, varying by machine model. Widely applied in automotive exhaust systems and frames, vac systems, furniture, fitness equipment, and aerospace industries. The machine delivers high working efficiency, stable and consistent product quality, and significant labor cost savings. It also supports multi-program storage and quick model changeover, perfectly meeting flexible and mixed batch production needs.